I think one of the unsung moments in music history is actually, alongside all of this stuff happening at the Columbia Princeton Electronic Music Center and the Westdeutsche Rundfunk in Germany and the GRM studios in France, is actually the work that Pauline Oliveros was doing at the San Francisco Tape Music Center. Pauline put a contact microphone on an apple box, and the wood of the apple box made it resonate, and she would place these objects on the apple box and strike them, and the wood would resonate with the object, and she'd record those things down onto tape. And the result was these sounds that no one could explain. And other composers at the time were like, where did you get that sound from? And it's just because she was looking around the house and listening and finding objects that she could place on the apple box and recording them. And I think this is one of these things that actually has had a huge impact on the way that people do sound design, and it's had a huge impact on electronic music history.